Hey guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you are very welcome. Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today's video I'll be showing you how I make this chicken spring roll filling. Okay, so a lot of you have said, oh, the reason I don't like spring roll is because it's like all through vegetables. I'm telling you in this video now that you can actually add proteins to your spring rolls. Okay, so these are the basic ingredients I will be needing: my cabbage, carrots, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, onions, and then my chopped chicken. So for the recipe, I'm going to add some vegetable oil. You can add whatever oil you are using. So I'm adding some vegetable oil to the pan. I would have loved to add sesame oil if I have some, but I exhaust the one I have, so I'm just using vegetable oil for this. Okay, so I added few tablespoon of vegetable oil in my pan, and what I'm going to do next is to add my minced chicken. So the way I minced this chicken was very simple. You know, it's chicken breast, so it's very easy to cook. I just put on my chopping board and just use my knife to like hit it several times, and then it gave me this consistency and it was really perfect. You can go ahead and just use your small knife to dice it, like chop it, or use your food processor to mince it if you like, but this is the consistency I was going for because I want it to remain chunky in the sauce. So this is perfect for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to stir and make sure this meat is well cooked, like this chicken breast is well cooked. And to know that it's cooked very fast, you see the color changing. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so now that my chicken is a bit cooked, I'm going to add my seasoning. I added some ginger powder, garlic powder, I added seasoning powder, I added some rosemary because I don't have time, I added curry. Yeah, you can just do with whatever seasoning or spices that you like to have in your sauce. Okay, so I did the basic and that was it. So I'm just going to add everything up and stir this, give this a good stir. guys, I've added everything in this pot, in this pan. Yeah, I'm just going to continue stirring until I'm satisfied that is like soft enough or a little crunchy, you get. So what I did earlier, I didn't add all of the carrots, so I'll be adding the other half at the end. That's because I want a bit of the carrot to be still very crunchy, you get. So I'll be adding that now, and then our sauce is ready, our filling is ready. So let me know in the comment section if you like what you see, if you'll be trying it. This is the best way to add proteins to your spring rolls. Okay, so you can do this with minced beef as well, but you have to cook longer. You can just sprinkle some water in it so your beef can cook properly. But yeah, it's the chicken one. You know, chicken breast cook very fast, so you don't need any water at all, and you don't want this to stay on the heat too much. I actually did this on low heat. Okay, I did this on low heat. That was why I allowed you guys to see how long it took. And then lastly, I'll be adding my lasot chicken seasoning. Yeah, I decided to add this last because I want the burst of flavor to actually sit on it. I don't want it to like just go in. Okay, I want it to sit on the filling, and that was exactly what I got. You know, when you're frying your spring roll, you know that flavor that you perceive. Yeah, this is what happens. So yeah, my sauce is ready. At this point, I've already turned off my heat, and I'm just stirring just so everything can mix properly, and I'm taking it off. We are set. So let me know, guys, do you like it? Is it colorful enough? See, this thing, I was just in love with it. This was actually a client specification anyway. Like, the client asked me if he can get spring roll with protein, and of course you can, but for extra charges. And I can only do this specification thing if you are ordering like over 5 dozens. Okay, so that was what I got over 5 dozens, and yeah, that was it. So this is what it looks like, our finished look. I've already taken it out from the heat. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to spread this on a tray and allow it to cool down completely before I use. Okay, you don't want to use hot filling in your spring roll sheet. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Give me a thumbs up, guys. I know you like this video because I love it, so give me a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and do subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for the love, and please, if you are led by the spirit, do well to send me a thanks. Like, below you will just see thanks, click on it and dash me a token. Yeah, I want it. Thank you. Bye.
No go stop and no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go